Mama Akwaba, wafreme Addo searching Mesrel. Now wa subscribe to my channel. Near notification bell also for more news.
A vote for NPP again will be a vote for a third term for Nana Akufo-Addo.
Mama Sidi, Osi, voting for NPP is like voting for Nanado for the third time. Wow. Yes. And you'll be woo, because it is happening live. We are going to vote for NPP, whether you like it or not. Because voting for Nanado for the third time is far, far, far better than voting for you, Mahama, to come and misrule our country once again. Never will do that. Never. Yes, me see, voting for Mahama once again is like signing your own death warrant. Yes. Voting for Nanado for the third time is far better than voting for you to come and share our sweat. I mean, taxpayers' money within the celebrities. Voting for Nanado for the third time is far, 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 far better than voting for you to come and tell us that you are not a magician to give us a job. Voting for Nanado for the third time is far better than voting for you to come and do the fraudulent deals once again. Never will do that. Voting for Nanado once again is far, 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 far better than voting for you to come and, to come and cancel our free SHS. Voting for you as John Dramani Mahama is like digging our own graveyard. Voting for you, John Dramani Mahama, is like putting ourselves into a deep hole that we can see a sunrise. Voting for you, John Dramani Mahama, is more than curse. It's even more than curse to vote for you. We will continue to vote for NPP so that they can do a good things that they start doing. Something like railway, roads, asphaltic roads, interchanges. Yes, it's happening. But people didn't talk about it too much. Voting for you, John Dramani Mahama, it's like hanging ourselves, more than hanging ourselves. So, Mahama, whether you like it or not, it is happening live. We will vote for NPP, for Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia to come and take control and do more greater things for us. We will not vote for you again to come and destroy our beloved country once again for us. We've seen your past. We've seen whatever you do when you inherit a power from Atamels. We see what you do. So never will give our vote to you once again. Never. Never. we are not going to get our vote again, because you even not the right choice then, but it happened. So we, the Ghana youth, we are going to rally behind Dr. Bawumia for him to win the 2024 election. Mahama, stop envying and focus. You are not the right choice. Yes, you are not the right choice. So leave NPP alone. Let NPP develop the country as they are doing. Never again. Never and never again. We are not going to vote for you again.
Na me say, mommy, moya dear man ya from Ghana. Because some of us go school ni bi Ghana. NDC abemu. Ya when you no more Rollins are pens wom go school. Kufua pens wom go school. Mills are pens wom go school. Mahama pens wom go school. Emu bia ni wa ni ameduani free. Mame, emu bia ni wa wo ba no na won aduane ma no. Aben kwan ne yeshi ni sen krakra no minianom. Your mind back on your person, your chichire, ne ye mo bia. Nankeba ni send you 2 gold diamond box side 1 member so. Nanso adi se me ba wom. Weda enya me weda. Eti se me bebebu bebre. Na obi asab one person woni ne bedwin kura. Oba ne bema no mu asab e bema ne bema gina ho ne ya fefefe ano. Ja obofuno ho so ho na wo ya adwuma. Ghana no sometimes so let us be thankful for some of the things or minor to me no. Now yenjai say every day we want to create an impression say negative. Nothing is positive about Ghana. Every buyer went to me and yes can for banko school. And the obi buama do bako school. Na sebi o sebi and yet Trimo debi na aba Ghana for so ene na nado na wapampa Ghana for wa bodwe shit. Wobi ebe so mu ama wo a wo se wa ma mi jemu fun to me hwewoma obi ba ye no obre wa wo se okay eya na me hu se nkoda ne bi uniform no the whole 2 years ni na no won se uniform intime aban mafa uniform house dress mafa mattress ya mo de be ba be da afi ne mafa empire wobi wo. Look at the things I buy we taking on. No self education now. Man look like say and I buy need to be kitu no. It is not a joke. Because if free education was a joker, said the Lee Okram Kayano or Saint Gankroma would have implemented it long before. John Dramani Mahama Nankasa said, Debbie, idea where the Omo de Bedada na yen to be quiet idea way based on the whimsical promise of a desperate politician. In tank of free education, there a desperate policy. And so a could baby a free education who may no and this if we are Captain Jimmy no more at that trip you say, woman called in about 10 say, and this is free education by the same thing that is a desperate policy. And Ghanaians are buying into it. Sadly, Ghanaians are buying into the lies and all the propaganda that NDC has been parading to the people of Ghana. Mommy Ejuma na Nado Danko Kufuado.